Chick-fil-A just charged me $5.38 for one sandwich. One. Today, I'm trying to make 4 of them for the cost of 2. Fast food prices are getting ridiculous. If this works, that is over $10 in my pocket. But there's a problem. Chick-fil-A marinates their chicken overnight. I've only got 30 minutes. Let's put that to the test. Chicken breasts, pickles, brioche buns, a few pantry staples. That's everything you need to test this. Most people think Chick-fil-A's secret is breading. It's not. It's the pickle brine. That pickle juice starts changing the chicken almost immediately. So let's see if 30 minutes is enough. Okay, the timer starts now. If the chicken doesn't taste like Chick-fil-A after 30 minutes, I've just wasted my time. While that marinates, I'm getting everything else ready. All right, the marinade is done. Now everything comes down to this. If this isn't crispy, we've got a problem. And this is when I made my first mistake. I completely forgot the garlic powder. At this point, I wasn't sure if I just ruined the whole batch. Problem number 2. These chicken breasts were way bigger than I expected. There was no way they were fitting in my air fryer. So I cut them down and ended up with 8 sandwich patties. Then I ran into another problem. The basket is tiny. I could only cook 2 pieces at a time. And then, disaster. The top looked perfect. The bottom was a mess. The breading was falling off and the chicken was getting soggy. So I bumped the cook time from 12 minutes to 16 and hoped that would fix it. And finally, there it was. All right, now this is a Chick-fil-A sandwich. See, it's got a sauce, and then it's also got the pickles. That's Chick-fil-A sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes more like old peanut oil than anything really. 6 out of 10. Let's see if my homemade Chick-fil-A sandwich matches up. I have my own homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. Doesn't have that old oil taste. Has nice breading and crunch to the chicken, and the chicken is still juicy. Okay, the flavor is there, but did I actually save money? One Chick-fil-A sandwich costs
$5.38.
Thank you. For 4 of them would cost $21.52. My grocery bill was $21.75. Looks like I lost, except I only used about half the ingredients. My real cost was $11.04. That's $2.76 per sandwich. Over $10 saved. Receipt proof right here. If you want to see me expose more overpriced restaurants, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. And hype me up. Leave in the comments down below which restaurants we're exposing next. This is TasteBud Odyssey. Peace!